Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to save some frequencies to the memory channels. That's easy to do. Just enter to the menu, V4 and channel. Select channel memory. It means you save the frequency to the channel, and channel delete. It means you delete the frequency from the channel. Let's save some frequency. Let's type 120, for example, 00. Airband, amplitude modulation. OK. Save to the memory, zone 1, channel 1. Exit. Let's switch to the channel mode, unnamed channel, 120 MHz point 8. Let's rename the channel. For renaming, just go to the same menu, V4 and channel, OK. When you're in the channel mode, you will see this edit name, channel edit name. If you in the V4 mode, you can just save or delete this frequency from the memory. Let's rename, edit name, press this button. You can change the symbols. This airband, air. OK. Let's save. You will see this name on the channel. That's easy to do. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.